I gotta be careful going down this hill because I could wipe out. So I think I'm gonna be like using my brakes. And I might even have to hold the camera down or something to keep so I can balance myself good. This is pretty uncharted territories. Don't want to mess this up. You can get hurt pretty good. Glad it's no traffic. It's really hard with traffic. Think I'm gonna have to slow down some. It's starting getting too wobbly. Release the brakes. Slowing down. See, it goes on around. Down there at the bottom, that's the airport. San Diego Airport and the freeway going to downtown. Wow, I got it's pretty dangerous right here. Back in the background is the airport. Let's try to make this light. Bad street. We're almost at Old Town. Probably trolley station. Made a wrong turn. I'm trying to go this way. Okay, we're probably 1 mile from Old Town. We're at 4 minutes. It took me 4 minutes to come down that hill, basically. Right up there to the left. That's the Marine Corps boot camp. Actually, I think it's the only Marine Corps boot camp in the country. Well, it might be a couple more, but this is really popular. They used to have a Navy boot camp here, but I think they ended that about 10 years ago. This is just a freeway. Going to downtown. And there's a trolley train. You can hear that over there. Train's gonna be coming to there in a minute. Man, almost fell. I'm tired. I'm not as tired as I thought I would be. So So it probably took less than an hour, somewhere around an hour, I think. I have to look at, I'm gonna load up all the miles and stats as soon as I get to Old Town. It's probably, I don't know, still a mile, maybe 3/4 of a mile. Yeah, that's the Marine Corps boot camp. Perfect morning for riding. So very, very light drizzle. Need his motor. Wow, it's only 7:30. Probably half a mile. Hope I don't get hit. Some of these drunk drivers out early this morning. Tired. This here building is General Dynamics. It's a defense contractor. Again, boot camp, Marine boot camp. Got some Navy housing over there, military housing too. I'm tired. I'm at 9 minutes. There's a bike lane right there. Somewhere between half a mile and 1/4 of a mile. General Dynamics. They're closed today. Usually this place is pretty busy on a weekday. Minutes. I at least hope I can get to where you can see the buses here in a minute. And then I'll shut off the video. Some tired of holding it. $11 minutes. And YouTube cuts them off at about 15. So if I can make it like 13 something, that would be good. Would speed up, but I'm too tired. 12 minutes. There's a rider. Got all his water bottles and everything. Okay, where that green light is, 1240 is where I'm probably gonna shut off the camera at. I ain't even eat nothing this morning. It's another reason I'm pretty tired. But I'm gonna turn in here at this green light, and that's where you can see the buses, and that's where I'm gonna catch a bus and go back home. But I made it to Old Town. I'm gonna do it again and again. Right, next time, just not without a camera. Highway Patrol, and we're at Old Town. 13.5 minutes. Should be a lot of buses over there, but it's early. I don't know where this energy coming from. There's trains, Amtrak, everything comes through here. We're gonna make this into video. My bus is not here yet.